F-150 fans, we've got some new products for you guys. We're excited to introduce our headers and exhaust for the 2015 and up F-150. These systems are available in two different configurations. Our Factory Connect uses a Y-pipe to connect to the OEM breakpoint. Our Performance Connect uses an X-pipe to create a true dual system. Our exhausts are available with two sound options. Our Legend system features our signature growl, but maintains a comfortable cabin environment. Our Redline system offers our most aggressive sound. With our headers, you have the choice of high-flow caps or off-road leads. Our headers use 3/8 inch thick flanges for durability. Feature 1 7/8 mandrel bent primaries and 3-inch slip fit collectors. We offer two different exit locations, behind the passenger side rear tire. We also offer it lightning style, exiting in front of the rear tire. This is a 3-inch diameter system that offers maximum flow. All of our systems are made out of 304 stainless steel and are mandrel bent for optimal flow. All of our systems are TIG welded for beauty and strength. There's a lifetime warranty on materials and craftsmanship. All of our exhaust systems are proudly made in the USA. more information, visit stainlessworks.net or give us a call at 800-878-3635. If you're a Ford guy like me, this is going to come back to haunt me one day here.